Hello. In today's video I want to show you what plants I recently bought and keep inside the house during our subtropical winter. It's nice and warm basically, but still the nights are cold, so I'm just worried that these little ones are too young, too little to plant them outside in my new space. If you haven't seen the video about the transformation I just started, I will link it in the description below, or just check my other videos. And now let's check what I've got. Okay, let's start from this side here, and then we go all the way up there. I really like it for my records to have it on video too in here. Here the first one, this beauty is actually getting its first flower. Look at it. And this one, that's the Chlorophytum amanense. I hope I pronounce it right, probably not. I will blend the names in. And this one got lots of little babies, so looking forward to replanting it when they are a little bit bigger. But yeah, look at the pretty color. The other name for it is fireflesh. Beautiful shiny leaves, and this orange makes it look so pretty. Here a mystery anthurium, which I've got from a friend as a little tiny little baby, was maybe half the size. It's actually growing, so I really hope to see the first leaf one day. She seems okay. It's one of the rare anthuriums. I don't know the name of it yet. Okay, this one here, the Monstera adansoni, or the Swiss cheese Monstera. I bought it, maybe it was half the size, and she seems to like it here and grows nicely. So yeah, very pretty. Then I have here one from the markets, our local markets, the Alocasia Yucatan Princess. With these shiny, super dark leaves. And the maroony color underneath. So now I have at the back, so let's move these ones to the side. I've got 4 of calatheas, which I bought from a lady, not as potted plants, but she actually divided it from the garden, so they all have a little bit of roots, but don't look super happy, apart from this one maybe. I really hope that they will show one fresh leaf in spring at the latest, so I will see. I really love the shapes and the colors, and this one is so nice velvety, but yeah, looking a bit sad, and nothing happening here as yet. They sit in the pot for about 1 month now. Very pretty. I was full in love when I saw them in the garden of the lady where I bought it from. And yeah, this one also a variety of calathea, also a bit velvety, beautiful. I kept it in water because it didn't have any roots, so I've got the roots in there now and planted. Yeah, fingers crossed, hoping for the best. This one was also the same. When I bought it, only had roots, but it looks like a no pot, but it already got new leaf and seems to doing okay. And this is the Aglonema Silver Queen. Yes, very pretty. And as we move on, this one here, also from the local markets, very pretty, waiting for spring to be planted. Stromate sanguinea tricolor. Beautiful, especially in the afternoon sun. It looks so lovely. Okay, and the next one is the Peperonia argui. I can't pronounce it. Peperonia agrireia. I don't know. Okay, here beautiful leaves. Bought it on the orchid show day. Beautiful leaves, beautiful colors and patterns. And here also got it as a divided plant with a little roots only and planted, and I don't know what to think about her. And she's not lacking in water, but somehow looking a bit sad still. So yeah, hoping for the best. So next one on the list, bought from the Facebook marketplace. I always hunt for some plants that I don't have yet, and this one is getting new leaf. Beautiful pink color, and apparently the more shade, the more pink the colors will be. For now, this new leaf is a little bit more like creamy pink, so we will see when it's in its full shape. And this is the Aglaonema Pink Star. Very pretty. So here my favorite sign, which will also go to the garden. So this one also, somehow I really love the velvety leaves. Oh, they're so pretty. Hope you can see it in the video. This is a climber. We're doing pretty well. What do we have here? Black velvet, Syngonium Ventlardi or Ventlardi. I will have to double check. Very pretty. This one little baby actually comes from Bunnings, and I already have a fresh leaf here. So all the plants I have no longer than for 1 month, and it looks so nice when they get new leaves. So this is the Philodendron Birkin, which is supposed to have lots of these white stripes, and yeah, it looks pretty much so, and thick shiny leaves. Then yesterday, Facebook Marketplace. Okay, I'm crazy, but when I see a good deal, I just have to. Also beautiful velvety color. And guess what? This is the Philodendron gloriosum. And it's got actually a new growth. So well established, beautiful plant. The leaves are supposed to be huge when the plant is happy. So obviously not in this little pot, but later on in the garden. Here a little orchid, which I have from the orchid show. So, and here we have the Alocasia green velvet. You can see I'm a velvet fan. But I also like the shiny ones. Very pretty. Also huge leaves when mature. This is a baby plant. Then we have the Colocasia Black Magics. And I am super happy about having this one because she really takes full sun, according to the lady where I bought it from. So even the more sun, the more blackish she will be. And there are quite few in here. So yeah, this will be a nice full sun plant in the garden. And again, different type of Calathea, which I also bought without a pot, but she is doing really fine. So the typical maroony color underneath, typical for Calatheas, I guess. And here the very pretty Alocasia. She is a beauty. Look at the leaves. Okay, here we have the Pink Princess, which I also bought only as a cutting, but she doesn't do well at all. It will be lovely to see a new growth, but nothing inside so far. Let's hope she will make it. Oh wait, maybe here something happening. Let's hope. And then here a very pretty one. Look at the color, very different to the other ones, but also super pretty. Philodendron or philodendron, how you say it? Philodendron micans. Look. Okay, and the last one in here. Beautiful, gorgeous anthurium from my lovely friend, with the flower here. Very pretty. Oh, she looks very, very happy. And now let's go outside to the patio. I show you what cuttings I've got and still hope for some roots. So here I have these pretty crotons which are sitting in water. Of course I'm changing the water like every few days, but no roots so far, nothing in here. Do you think I should put it into the soil? Let me know in the comments what you think. What is your best way to propagate the crotons? Because they're really pretty and they will make a difference in the garden. And then I have a cordyline here, which with these beautiful colors, patterns on its leaves. And this one here, which is already getting some nice roots, the dracaenas. So these are usually very easy. And here some chocolate cordyline, which also I just noticed today finally got beautiful roots. So I am not sure if I will plant it now or wait for spring. Beautiful colors. And the second one in here, which also getting fresh roots. Beautiful. So yeah, these guys will wait now until spring, probably beginning of September, when I can plant them out. And until then, I will enjoy them here while working. This is my working space here actually, where I work on my seeds that I harvest and pack and so on. So yeah, I really enjoy having them here, and I will see if I will leave maybe one or two and plant the remaining ones in spring, but this will be happening later on. Subscribe to my channel if you still didn't, if you are interested in all sorts of plants, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.